special interests.
Uh-huh.
They're fighting over the piece of the pie.
Yeah.
Right?
So somebody wants
when
to
we
take
talk about the pie,
Yeah.
when we talk about the pie, we're talking about here the power pie here, in terms of the federal budget, is the defense.
Uh-huh.
Defense got the biggest piece. $1 trillion, let's say. That's the biggest piece. Everybody else got a small sliver. So that's why people are fighting. And that's pie. People don't want less pie.
Yeah. So
People want more pie.
yeah. What you're saying is that the pie is the power.
The pie is the power. So people want a bigger slice of the pie.
Because people want more power.
And there's nothing wrong with wanting more.
Yeah.
But if you're a tycoon, how much more do you need?
Probably all of it.
See,
Yeah.
you don't want the whole pie.
You can't have the whole pie.
And then how about us? What are you going to give us? Crumbs? We don't want crumbs.
Yeah.
We want a piece of the pie. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's the answer.
And the story.